Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, we're going to do this gorgeous autumnal, almost quite 90s inspired, and also inspired to, autumn basically, with the turning of the leaves, that beautiful rich tones we're seeing. And I'm going to be featuring this most delicious palette by Victoria Beckham. This was the inspiration for the whole makeup look. It's just freaking stunning, isn't it? I mean, let's take a moment. And I just wanted to inspire you to play with some colour in your makeup. It doesn't just have to be a brown. You can put some points of interest just to give it a bit more richness. The cats are like scratching my peacock chair, like not cool guys, not cool. And if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button if you love all things beauty. I've only got 10 minutes to get ready, so because I'm going out for dinner, there's a timer on, it's literally just gone off. So yeah, let's get to it, shall we? I've got 9 minutes, let's go. So I'm gonna start off with this Victoria Beckham pencil. It's in the shade Cacao, and I'm just sketching this around the eye, like so. It's such a creamy pencil, and if you want to create a really quick smoky eye, I highly suggest popping a creamy pencil underneath to help everything blend. Not to help everything blend, to help everything stick, so you get a really quick, see, already it looks really impactful. It's like a bit of magic, my friend. So I'm not going to worry about it being too perfect at this moment in time. And this is the palette I'm going to be using in the shade Tweed. A very lovely follower has requested this for a while, so here we are. Let's see, I think it is. So I'm going to take this paler shade and run that through the crease to be my transition colour. This will soften any hard edges because I want to do a really blown out eye. Going out for dinner, a friend's birthday, dressing everything up with a smoky eye basically to be the focus. This is a Vive brush, the eyeshadow smudger in 2-1. The eyeshadow formulas are very, very powdery, so you only need to pick up a minute amount of product. Can you see there all the remnants of powder? So what I do when I pick up, I just sort of do a little kind of try and do that basically, and then apply the product. Then you don't generally get too much drop down. Another thing to do is just tap it on the back of your hand or mush the eyeshadow in so the powder doesn't kind of do a big old mushroom cloud. Cats are harassing me because they want dinner. It's a bit early, boys. And then I'm going to take this beautiful kind of, what is that colour? It's like more of a reddy terracotta. Is it cranberry? And these are all beautiful texture. They're quite kind of matte, but I wanted to pop this mainly all over the lid just to give it a bit of interest and colour. And against my eye colour, this pops beautifully. It just makes, adding a bit of colour to a smoky eye just makes it that much more interesting. There we go. So this is the Vive eyeshadow packer, funny that. And again, I'm, come on camera, smushing it like so. And then really pat that colour, and I'm going to take whatever is left just underneath like so. I'm going to worry about cleaning up very shortly, but I'm still getting that intensity from the liner at the lash line also, which is just makes this really yummy. It's like looking at all of nature at the moment, the leaves turning that beautiful kind of, you know, cranberry red, those really autumnal colours. And then what I'm going to do is just get a slightly bigger brush. This is the large eyeshadow blender, and just mix. So I'm going in a back and forth specific motion to blend all of those colours in. I'm filming a little bit higher today. Let me know if you prefer this angle versus the quite straight on angle. I mean, does it help you see a bit more detail? I don't know. Let me know. I won't know until the edit. But look how lovely that is. It's just super interesting, and I feel like this makeup just needs the pencil fully in the waterline, so let's just go for it. A lot of people worry that this will make their eyes look smaller, but look, it intensifies the whole makeup and it makes the eye look bigger because there is actually no split between tones. I'm just gonna go back to my kind of smudgy brush and just make sure that's all really nicely blended together. And this will help that creamy pencil set a little bit. Oh, I've got a bit of a floater in my eye. Don't you hate that when the pencil sort of just getting around a bit of something just hanging around? Oh, this is yummy! Why is it taking me so long to kind of pick up this? Do you know what, when I first picked up this palette, not this specific one, but generally, I just found the powders so soft and messy that they just really annoyed me. And I think there was one palette I used where the pigment wasn't that intense, so I was like, this is annoying, you know? But anyway, we move. So, continuing the autumnal theme, just gonna curl the lashes, talk amongst yourselves, make a tea. Don't make a tea, you should have done that beforehand. I'm going to just curl the lashes. I'm gonna go in. If you've been watching my Instagram and TikTok, you will see that I'm obsessed with this Charlotte Tilbury Colourpop mascara. It is just so good, and it's just going to enhance this whole makeup look and vibe because it's going to be slightly obviously paler than the eyeliner, but it's just going to cause another point of interest and just pop of colour like around the eye. See? Ah, and almost, I would say, because it's not black either, it doesn't take any attention away from all the rich tones and colours, and it really makes your eye colour pop. Like, this is really bing bong, bringing lots of golden tones out in my eye. I almost look like I should be an extra in, what's the vampire film called with Ed Cullen? That one, you know, the one. And to really quickly finish this look, I've got 2 minutes left, I'm doing all right. I've got it in my pocket because I've been wearing it. There we go. I've got this and a receipt. What more could you want? I'm so professional. It's the new NARS Power Matte Lipstick. This shade is Freebird. This is literally pumpkin spice latte in a lip colour. And I'm using the edge to define my lips, give it a bit more definition. But look at that. Beautiful. Done. This was done in under 10 minutes, okay? Love it. One thing I forgot to say about these lipsticks is once they go on and you give them a minute, they set. Look. No transfer. Kiss proof. And these are meant to stay on for 10 hours. I haven't had the full 10 hours because I like a snack, I like to eat, and especially if it's oily, it's gonna make it break down, but by Lord, they're good. There you have the finished look. What do you think? Would you wear these sorts of colours? Let me know in the comments. If you've got any questions, we can always chat in the comments. I love answering your questions. If you've got any other video requests, do pop them below too. And follow me on TikTok and Instagram if you're not already. We can hang out a bit more often. Anyway, have a lovely Sunday and I'll see you next week. That's my timer.